Canva keeps adding powerful tools, but most people only use the basic ones. In this video, I'll show you 5 hidden Canva features professionals are already using in 2026 to design faster and smarter. One of the newest Canva features is called Magic Layer. This tool allows you to take flattened designs or AI-generated graphics and convert them into fully editable layers. Let's see how it works. First, click Select Media. From here, you can choose a design or photo that you already uploaded, or you can click Upload and import a file directly from your computer. Once you select your image, Magic Layer automatically starts analyzing the design. After a few seconds, Canva separates the elements into editable layers. This means you can now edit individual objects, text, or shapes, even if the design originally came as a single image. For example, you can change colors, move elements around, or delete objects easily. As you can see, before tools like this existed, designs with many elements were very difficult to separate one by one. Previously, we used Magic Grab, but it usually detected only one object, and the rest had to be edited manually. That process could take a lot of time, and sometimes the result wasn't very accurate. Now with Magic Layer, Canva can intelligently separate multiple elements at once. This makes editing designs much faster, cleaner, and far more professional. Another new feature in Canva is the built-in screen recorder. There is also a new tool called Canva Code, but I'll explain that in another video. With the screen recorder, you can easily record your screen directly inside Canva without using any external software. First, you can choose whether to use your camera or record without a camera. Then you can select the microphone you want to use for your voice. Once everything is ready, simply click Start Recording. For this example, I recorded the setup process using my phone to clearly show how the interface works. When you finish recording, just click Finish, and the video will automatically appear as a new video file inside your Canva project. This feature is extremely useful for content creators, educators, and freelancers who want to quickly create tutorials, presentations, or explainer videos without leaving Canva. It saves time and keeps your entire workflow inside one platform. The next feature is perspective correction. This tool helps fix photos that were taken at an angle and makes them look straight and properly aligned. First, go to Uploads and upload your image. Then select the image and click Edit Image. Under the Crop tab, you will see options to adjust the perspective vertically and horizontally. Simply adjust the sliders until the image looks straight and balanced. Once you're happy with the result, just apply the changes. Instead of manually stretching shapes or trying to fix the image yourself, Canva can correct the perspective quickly and accurately. This feature is especially useful when working with product photos, scanned documents, or architectural images where straight lines and alignment are important. The next feature is Vectorify. Vectorify allows you to convert a normal image into a vector-style graphic. In this example, my design already uses vector-style elements, so I want the photo to match the same visual style. First, I select the image. Then I click Edit Image, and under the Apps section, you can find Vectorify. So inside the tool, there are two options, black and white or full color. For this design, I'm going to choose full color. Once selected, Canva will automatically convert the image into a vector-style graphic. This is very useful when you want to create illustrations, icons, or scalable graphics from normal images. Many designers use this feature to transform simple photos or graphics into clean vector artwork that fits better with modern design styles. The next feature is Type Studio. Type Studio is a new Canva app that helps you create bold and expressive text designs. To use it, go to the Text panel, and under Apps, you'll find Type Studio. Inside the app, you can see many different text styles, and you can also generate a design based on your own text. For this example, I'm going to choose a style that matches my current design. Then I'll change the text to Korean food and adjust the color to yellow so it fits better with the overall design. You can also change the font style, explore different effects, and customize the look of the text. One of my favorite sections here is the texture options. When you apply one of these textures, it adds a unique surface effect directly onto the text, which can make the typography much more interesting. Once the adjustments are done, simply add the design to your canvas. In this case, the text looks a bit too long, so I'll go back, split it into 2 lines, and update the element. Now it looks much cleaner and more balanced in the design. Canva keeps releasing powerful new tools, and knowing how to use them can give designers a big advantage. If you want to learn more advanced Canva workflows and hidden features, make sure to subscribe.